Alright guys, so I know I normally do like an intro with the finished look, but we're skipping that today because I'm actually also filming a first impressions on a new not a new foundation, but on a foundation that is new to me. So I'm going to be wearing the same shirt in 2 videos, like back to back. Hella sorry, this shirt's hella cute though. This is just gonna be a super quick video, probably not even 10 minutes, hopefully. I don't know, you know how I talk. Anyway, I'm gonna just be going in with the Alyssa Edwards palette for literally 2 shades out of it. So, super recreatable look. You do not need to have this palette. So yeah, I hope you guys like this. If you do enjoy while you're watching, please, what the frick? If you do enjoy it while you're watching, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. We are so close to 100 subscribers. When I'm filming this, I have 96 subscribers. So close. So freaking close. And I will be filming a video all about the giveaway, how to enter, and when it's closing and when it's opening, and like what you need to do and things. So subscribe to my channel, like this video, follow me on Instagram. I'll link it down below. I'll also link the like 4 or 5 products I'm using, but you know what I'm talking about. Let's go. So I'm gonna start. I clearly already have my normal face on. I'm gonna go in with the Supreme from this palette. This is such a pretty shade. Like, out of all these freaking shades, that's the shade I use the most. No shit. I love it so much. So much. I'm just gonna take this on a fluffy little crease brush, and we're gonna add it into our crease. For those of you that do not know, I am a CNA, and I work in a rest home nursing facility. I'm not sure what the like politically correct name is. I work in a nursing home though. It's a fun experience. If you are planning on going to nursing school, or if you yourself are a CNA already or anything like that, I always recommend that you work in a nursing facility, like a skilled nursing facility. I think that's what they're called now, a skilled nursing facility, for just a little bit. Just a little bit. It is super important that you do it for just a little bit. Even if you're not planning on working as a CNA, if you're just getting your CNA license as you're throwing through school, I still recommend you working one for just a minute, because it is like no other job I have ever had in my entire life. I've done several different things. I've worked in in-home care, I've done skilled nursing facility. I've done this for a few years now, and like, skilled nursing facilities are one of a kind. Like, you just can't recreate the shit that happens to you. So now that we have that on, I'm going to take L'Oreal Infallible Shadow, and this is in Iced Latte. I'm pretty sure this is a dupe for Stila's Kitten. Nonetheless, such a pretty shade, and we're gonna just add this to our lid. But because of what I do while I'm at work, if you don't know what a CNA is, I help people with their like daily activities, like anything you could need help with, I'm your girl. I bathe people, I change them, I get them dressed, I feed them, I put them to bed, I fix their hair, and so much shit. I do so much shit. This does not have to be perfect, by the way. So because of that, I do showers and stuff, and I'm a big old chunk of dunk over here, so it gets hotter than Satan's toenails. Literally every facility I've ever fucking worked in, it is so hot all of the time. And then you're like, oh, praise Lord, I'm just blending the edges really quick with the same brush. And then it gets to winter, and you're like, oh, praise Lord, you know, it won't be as hot outside, so it won't get as hot in here. No. They have the freaking air cranked to 6,000, so, or the heat cranked to 6,000. It's never a good time for me. So I get all sweaty and gross and nasty, so I need to ensure that my makeup is going to freaking stick to my face. Do I wear this eye look every single time I work? Absolutely not, without a doubt. Sometimes I just do my no makeup look that I have a video on. I'll link it down below. Sometimes I do like a simple wing. Sometimes I don't wear any makeup, very rarely, but on occasion. I am PRN, so I work all 3 shifts, which sucks. Like today, I'm working 6 p to 10 p, and then Saturday night, I'm working 2 a.m. to 6 a.m., and then I'm supposed to come back on Sunday, 2 to 10 p.m., but I think they're gonna let me just do 6 to 10. I just fill in when there's holes in the schedule, so because of that, one, I don't have a set schedule, which is really nice. They can call me and ask me to work, and I can say, no, I can't today, I have something going on. I'm like the last line of defense, basically. Like when somebody calls in or somebody quits unexpectedly or anything like that, out for surgery or something like that, I can fill in the hole in the schedule so we have enough staff. So sometimes when your girl has to go to work at 2 o'clock in the morning, we don't do this. If I'm working day shift, I normally do this because there are so many family members and my bosses are there. Second shift, it's a toss-up. I do whatever I want on second shift, like makeup-wise, because my bosses aren't there. There's not that many family members there anymore, and they're all going to bed. Nobody cares. So this is a super easy, pretty look. Now, I'm gonna go in with BBDC. Sometimes I go in with back roll, sometimes I go in with Beast. You can do a neutral shade, but this is just a super dark plummy purple. I'm just gonna take that on a flat liner brush. And I'm just going to lightly press that on the outer corner of my lower lash line. I do love my job though. It is so much fun. I get super close to residents. I get super close to the girls I work with. I get to meet a ton of people. I get to hear amazing stories about things that have happened long before I was even thought of. It is just so rewarding. Like, I'm not in it for the money. I swear if I was in it for the money, I would do something else. I made more money when I graduated high school as a manager at McDonald's than I do being a CNA after I've been a CNA for almost 5 years. So it takes a certain type of person to do it. A lot of people think that anybody can do like being a CNA and stuff. You really can't. You have to honestly care about people, and I can come off really like frosty, cold-hearted, very closed off. And that's just a defense that I've set up for myself. It's just a defense mechanism. But I honestly, you have to care about people. You have to want to help people to do that job. That's why you see so many residents getting abused or neglected and things like that from people that shouldn't be doing it, trying to do it. So it is super fun. I love my job. Every night I come in, there's something fun or new or crazy. Do I always love my job? Do I love my job every minute of every day that I am there? Absolutely freaking not. Sometimes I want to snap. Sometimes I want to quit because I don't have to work. I choose to work, which is why I'm only PRN. I'll be going to school in 2 weeks. So like, I don't have to. And sometimes when I'm there, I'm like, I don't know why I deal with this stress. It is an extremely stressful job. But then I'm like, yeah, I'll work that day. I'm gonna take the same color on the same brush and just lightly trace my upper lash line. We're not talking about my nails. I know I need to do them. I always like doing shadow as my liner instead of doing actual liner because I know without a doubt this is not gonna slide off my face. So now all I'm gonna do is on my top lash line, I'm going to tight line, I guess is what you call it, with a black. This is just, seriously, it's just to make your lash line look more full. I totally forgot to say what I'm using. On the top waterline, this is just Essence Extreme Lasting Gel Liner Pencil in Black Love. It's just black gel pencil. Now I'm going to be taking the NYX Wonder pencil, and mine is in light. I'm going to quickly line my lower waterline. Now I'm just going to throw on my mascara off camera. I do not wear mascara on my lower lash lines normally, but because I'm only going in for 4 hours and I feel like I will make it through, we are going to do it on the bottom today. I'm going to be layering Maybelline Lash Sensational and the Essence False Lashes mascara. This shit is amazing. Buy it. Cheaper than this. It's so good. I'm actually going to be doing this first and only using it on my lower lash lines. This will only layer on my top lash line. Top lashes. I hate myself. So I will be right back with my mascara done and we will do a lip and wrap up this video. We are back. Yeah, we're back. I definitely think I forgot to mention when I was doing the lash line in purple, I also like to use that really deep purple because purple really helps blue eyes pop, and I have blue eyes. That is so lame. Alright, so I already applied another thin coat of my Bliss lip serum. This shit, so good. Get it. Anyway, I'm going to be using the Jeffree Star question mark mystery shade. I think it's probably just going to be going down in history as question mark. This is out of the Summer Mystery Box, which I also have a video unboxing the deluxe, the Supreme, whatever, the large mystery box from summer 2019. I will also link that down below. Watch all my videos. That's what I'm trying to say. So I'm just going to apply this and we're almost done. That's cute. That just makes sure you don't get lipstick on your teeth. I know it looks weird. Anyway, typically when I go to work, I try really hard to have everything matte except for my highlight. But because I have to film a few more videos, I am definitely going to be adding a little bit of a gloss over this. This is Buxom White Russian full-on plumping lip cream, I think. Let me check. I'm getting so good at this. Anyway, I'm going to just be adding this over, and it's just gonna give me a little plumping. Oh, it tingles. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, like I said, subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, check out my other videos, all of that. Follow me on Instagram. So freaking close to having a giveaway, guys. So close. So you do with that what you want. Okay, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye, guys.